And next is weight. Next topic is weight. Weight, it is the measure of the pull of earth with which it attracts an object towards its center. You might have observed that whatever is thrown upward is always coming down. Why it is not staying there up? It is always falling down. Everything is falling downwards. It is not going upward, it is always downwards. Why it is coming? It is because of the pull of the earth. The earth's pull attracts everything towards its center. That measure of the pull of the earth is called the weight of an object. The amount of pull of the earth is called the weight of an object. Now, how we can measure this weight? There are certain devices which we can use to measure the weight. The first is the spring balance. You've already learned about spring balance and the electronic balances in your 6th standard. So these are the devices which we can use to measure the weight of an object. Now, weight of an object is always measured as m into g. Weight is equals to m into g, where w is the weight of the object, m is the mass of the object, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Value of the acceleration due to gravity is always taken as approximately 10 meters per second square. This is a standard given by the scientists that value of g on the earth will be 10 meters per second square. So whenever we are doing the numericals, we will be taking the value of g as 10 meters per second square, right? Now, units of weight. There are different units of weight, but the standard unit of weight is Newton. Other units of weight are also known as kilogram force. Now, there is a relation between kilogram force and Newton, that is 1 kilogram force is equivalent to 10 Newton, right? You have to learn this relation also. This is also very important. Relation between kilogram force and Newton. So next is there are some notes given on the work that the rough value of acceleration due to gravity is 10 Newton per kg. If the mass of an object is 2 kg, then its weight will be 2 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 20 Newton. If the mass of the object is 2 kg, then its weight in other unit will be 2 kgf. So go through these notes on your book also and learn them. There are some interesting facts also given about weight, that the weight of the body is 0 in space. So the weight of the body is 0 in a spacecraft obtaining its mass, because in the space weight becomes 0. So the weight of the body is also 0 in a spacecraft. Now, weight of a body is different at equator and poles of the earth due to change in the value of the acceleration due to gravity, because at the poles gravity is greater than at the equator, because as you come near to the equator towards the center of the earth, the pull of the earth becomes 0 at the equator, because it is the center of the earth. The pull of the earth becomes 0 because you are already at the center, and when you are at the poles you have the maximum gravitational pull, because the earth is trying to attract you towards its center. So when something is at the poles, it will weigh more as compared to the equator, right? So that is why there is a saying also, there is a tidbit given, weight of a body is 0 at the center of the earth because acceleration due to gravity is 0 at the center of the earth. So there's a saying that buy gold at equator and sell at pole, because gold of the same mass weighs more at the pole than at the equator, right? Because at the equator gravity is 0, weight is automatically 0. So gold weight will be 0 at the equator. You will have more gold in lesser weight, and when you take the same gold at the poles, it will weigh more because of the more amount of gravitational pull, right? That's why they say buy gold at equator and sell at the poles. There's a difference given between mass and weight on your book. Go through that difference and learn that also. That's right. So students, your homework is to read all the pages from the book, and we will be doing the I will be sending you the question answers and the exercise part in your respective group. So first go through the chapter and read it